Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to share my specific gym morning routine with you. What I'm doing to build muscle, to build strength, and how I fuel my body in particular afterwards. I wanted to share some of the details that have really helped me on my journey. I wake up around 6:30 a.m. and here's Katsu waking me up too. He was honestly not supposed to be on the bed. He's not allowed. Then I immediately get ready, jump out of bed, wash my face, and I will do a very simple skincare routine before I work out, nothing too crazy. I brush my teeth, and after I will use a tongue scraper. This is something new by incorporating, and it is really amazing to get rid of any bacteria that stays on your tongue. Your tongue is a part of your digestive system, so when you clear it, the bacteria will actually improve your overall digestive well-being. So after that, I will do a quick little makeup, a little concealer, a little blush. I don't know, I like to get ready in the morning because I feel just more put together, and when I'm in the gym, when my hair's flying everywhere and I look tired, I also just feel tired and I feel all over the place. So after I got myself together, I pick a quick outfit for today. My collection of gym wear is actually getting out of control. Because I'm doing a heavy strength training today, I chose this cute little set from Aloe. I also will link all the products that I'm using in this video today as well, so you can check it out. Then before I work out, I'm quickly hydrating myself, and I'm grabbing my seed probiotic and my aloe vitamin C. I have been feeling everyone around me is getting sick with the fall weather, so I want to make sure that my supplement game is on point just to stay really healthy and strong. I have had a little bit of sniffles too last week. Then I'm going to make a quick Nekahama matcha. I loved an iced one in the morning to wake me up and then also to get energized. This is just such a ritual for me. I like to drink it right before my workout just to get energized, and then let's go. Before I do anything, I will always grab my foam roller and stretch. I actually have a few videos on my app as well, but I have been doing this for so long that I know exactly where my pain points are. It really helps align my body, so when I do the training after, I'm actually able to activate the right muscles, and it also gets rid of any knots and tension I have, so it's amazing for recovery. Now let's get into the workout. I'm going to do a workout from my app SoulSync Body. On the app, there are so many different options between guided programs, individual strength and pilates workouts, different equipment. We actually have a massive Black Friday sale going on, and it is our only sale of the year. So all our memberships are 30% off. I will link it down below where you can unlock your discount. We'll send you a code and you can start a 7-day free trial. You can cancel anytime before that, but I would highly recommend if you want to start your journey or level up your fitness routine or just really get yourself committed to take advantage of this Black Friday offer right now, because it's the only sale we're doing. Then let's get started with the workout. This 55-minute leg and booty was literally one of you guys' favorite, and I really loved it too. I started with a little warm-up to get the body moving and to get the heart rate up a little. Before I work anytime legs or booty, I always make sure to start with a little glute activator. This is within the routine, this is within the video. I use a booty band to activate the glutes. And then we're getting into the real workout. I picked 6 exercises that I divided in sets of 3. So I paired 2 exercises together. So for example, the sumo squat and the RDL. And then I repeat that for 3 rounds and 12 reps each exercise. I'm using 12 pounds weights for the leg workout today. I am definitely trying to build it up more and more, but slowly we're adding more weight to it. Then we're getting into our second set of glute bridges and alternating lunges. And again, I'm repeating these 3 rounds for 12 sets each. We have one more set of exercises that I actually did not record, but they're in there. Then to end the workout, I'm doing a quick 5-minute booty burner with no band or equipment. By this time, my legs are absolutely shaking. I always make sure to end the workout with a stretch. This way you really maintain your flexibility and you prevent any injuries. Here I am feeling all sweaty and accomplished of the day. Then when I get back, first thing I do is hydrate. I'm so thirsty and get breakfast. Post-workout, I love to make a big bottle with electrolytes. These from the brand Element are great. Sometimes they're a little salty, but the flavor ones are really, really good. And one of the biggest game changers for me in gaining muscle was upping my protein take. I cannot repeat how important it is when you're increasing your strength training to fuel your body. Otherwise, you will not see any results. Like, here's where fitness and nutrition really come hand in hand. So for breakfast today, I'm going to make my high protein cheesecake recipe. This recipe is also on the Soul Sing Body app on the nutrition. This recipe actually went viral on my Instagram. I think it had like over 1.5 million views. Even though it's a sweet tasting breakfast, it has about 40 grams of protein, which is absolutely amazing. I'm currently trying to get 120 grams of protein a day. The base is cottage cheese, and I really love this one from the brand Gold Culture. And then I use this protein powder from Ritual. As you guys know, this is my absolute favorite one. Might have a code, I can probably link it down below too. And then a lot of people with lactose intolerant are actually able to eat cottage cheese. But of course, if you're really dairy free and you have a lactose intolerant, always check in with yourself and with your body if that works. But to me, it's such an amazing source of protein and the taste is so neutral. I love adding into it like all my savory breakfasts. I will add the full recipe down below as well. I know a lot of you are gonna ask if you can make this with Greek yogurt, and I tried it. Yes, it's possible. However, Greek yogurt has much more sour taste, so you will need to add more maple syrup, and the texture is also less fluffy. So I prefer cottage cheese way more, but Greek yogurt could work. I add it in the oven for 20 minutes. You can also pop it in the air fryer for 12. And after I take it out the oven, I will cut off the topping so it's more straight, and it looks amazing. Look at this cheesecake, it's so fluffy. I added some of this delicious coconut whip on top and some smashed blueberry jam, and here you go. It's funny because it's almost all made from savory ingredients like the egg, the cottage cheese, but it has a sweet taste to it and it almost feels like eating dessert for breakfast with more than 40 grams of protein, which is absolutely amazing. I also made myself a second matcha latte here because why not? Okay, my camera broke, so I'm just filming with my iPhone right now. This was my gym morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you can maybe get some inspiration for it. And also let me know if you want to see more of a gym morning routine when I am doing Pilates. Honestly, I feel this has been just such a game changer for me to be able to mix strength workouts with Pilates and then also take time for recovery with foam rolling and walking. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next. And again, we have a really big Black Friday sale for Soul Sing Body. All memberships are 30% off the month of November. So there are only 2 more weeks left. You can put in your email address and we'll send you a special discount code that you can use. So I hope to see you guys there and see you next time.